Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 mini, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Then select alarm over here and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner to add your record. So there your alarm. Now you need to set up an hour, and when you're done, just repeat. From here, select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. I will go with Wednesdays and Fridays. When you're done, go back and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, like work, and simply go back. Then choose sound and tap on pick a song. Now you can select music from your library by tapping on the chosen one and going back. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go with cancel. Select one of those by tapping on the chosen one and tap on back. Then click on snooze to disable or enable it, and when you're done, choose save at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it, then turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, choose edit at the top left corner and tap on this little red icon. Then choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!